I don't really have a tremendous amount of political aspiration. I'm focused on doing the task at hand. I'm running for a 2-year position, so I have 2-year aspirations. But in terms of a career, I'm not so concerned about that. I'm the kind of person where, I'm entrepreneurial minded. Being static in a position, I don't think, given the changing nature of society and the world and technology and work, that having a 20-year plan is as relevant anymore as it used to be. If that makes sense. Even with business models, when I founded Love to Brew in 2011, I had it was like an 80-page business plan. My nonprofit had like a 4-page business plan. It's just the changing times. Things change, and I think the nature of change is too much. Where any 20-year prediction is frankly probably unrealistic and not a best use of my time.